He believes that that Narendra Modi ji himself can transform India. I don't believe that. By the way, it's pretty apparent. Suit boot is failing.
It was meant to be an interaction with college students in Bengaluru.
I don't like what is going on with regard.
Yet, Rahul Gandhi made it look like a political slugfest against Narendra Modi.
There are no jobs being created. The economy is in the doldrums. And you don't have health and education expenditure. So, the country basically is not moving.
But Rahul was perhaps stretching his negative agenda a bit too far. When he tried a snap poll with college students, he got badly bruised.
Even though the BJP has come to power, I don't see a strategy. I don't see a clear direction. I see a lot of talk. I hear talk about clean your country. I mean, are we serious? Clean your country is a strategic national government program. Well, it's not working, is it? I don't see it working. You see it working? Okay. I don't see Swachh Bharat working very well. Huh? What?
Well, I think they're agreeing that it's working.
You think it's working?
The house is divided.
Yes, it's working. Okay. No.
Let's have a raise of hands.
Okay, let's ask another question. Do you think Make in India is working? Do you think so?
No.
You think youngsters in India are getting jobs? So, Swachh Bharat isn't working, Make in India isn't working, Connect India isn't working, so I don't clearly see, I don't clearly see a vision that the BJP is projecting. You know? So for me, for the Congress party, we have to come up with a potential vision that we can give to the people of India.
Rebuked on Swachh Bharat, contradicted on Make in India. The Congress Vice President stumped at his own game.
How are you? No. What? No, actually it was not clear. Swachh Bharat pe half the room said nothing has happened and some people said something has happened. Make in India, I think more people said not much has happened, some people said things have happened.
For a counter view, perhaps he should have heard about the impression he left behind.
So whatever views he had were from his perspective, and I think he fails to acknowledge what the current government is doing.
मुझे personally अच्छा नहीं लगा क्योंकि वो interaction के लिए आ रहे हैं और उनको political differences लाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी.
With regards to the Northeast and Irom Sharmila, so that was the question that I asked him, but unfortunately we didn't get a really satisfying answer to that.
Taken aback, Rahul finding himself on slippery ground. Looking for a face saver, but finding none. Bureau Report, Times Now.